Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about hand and fingernail care. Now, as many of you know that many of the facilities do not provide the permission for you to cut the patient's nails or take care of the hands. So, first of all, make sure that your facility is providing this facility. So, let's look at the demonstration. Okay, but before the demonstration, just make sure that the patient is not diabetic. Why not? Because in case of diabetes, the chances of infection from those nail filers, the nail cutters, and the nail clippers, the fungal and bacterial transfers are very easy. And streptococcus, which are also renamed as flesh-eating bacteria, so we are supposed to be careful about that also. So whenever we are using the nail clippers, always make sure that we are supposed to sanitize it before and after each and every treatment. Now always take care that we are not using filers, we are using this stick, this orange stick. We are not using filers because it's metal, it's sharp, and it can poke into the hands of the patients. But this stick is reusable, so we are going to use this. Okay, now I'm going to show you a demonstration. The patient is very thin and she just suffered from jaundice recently, so she is very weak. Now, while we have to cut her nails, so for that purpose, we are going to soak her hands in the water. Now, the water should be warm and it should be measured by the bath thermometer beforehand. Okay, before you're using it for the patient. And even after that, when you're just sanitizing all the equipment, after that you have to make sure that the water does not leave inside between the fingers. You have to wipe it down properly because the moisture can attract all the fungus and the bacteria to grow there properly. Okay, please sit down. I'm using this plastic protective cover, and here is basin with water. Please put your hands inside the water, both your hands, and I'll soak it for 5 minutes. I'm covering it with a towel so that the heat doesn't escape. Okay. Now we'll wait for 5 minutes and after that we'll proceed. After 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes are over. I'm going to remove this. Okay. Give me your hands. I'm going to wipe it off really quick. The hand. I'm going to wipe all the way down in between your fingers so that there is no moisture left otherwise. Now we are supposed to move the cuticles inside, so we'll take each finger and use the organ wood stick and put all the cuticles inside. Okay, this gives you easiest. This makes it easy for you to cut the nails. Repeat it on all the fingers. Now while cutting the nails, always remember, when you are cutting the nails, first of all cut it straight. Okay, and after cutting it straight, you can use the organ wood stick to keep the edges round and use it like a filer. Okay, after the nail care is completed, use a lotion and put it on the hands of the patient if the hands are dry. And if the patient asks, wipe it down properly with a towel.